Squeeze the glutes, curl the biceps, extend overhead. Great job. Make sure you focus on that form. Starting position, shoulders drawn back, feet hip width apart, pointed straight ahead. From this position, we're going to descend into a squat, pushing our hips back, keeping our weight evenly distributed through our feet, coming back up, pulling our hips through, coming into a bicep curl and extending up overhead into a press, squeezing our glutes at the top to stabilize the spine before returning back into starting position. We will perform 15 reps of this exercise. You ready? Let's go. Curl up and press. Excellent. Back into the squat. Come up, squeeze the glutes, curl the biceps, extend overhead. Great job. Make sure you focus on that form. Extend overhead, squeeze those glutes to stabilize the spine. Great job. Curl, press. Curl, press. Excellent. Keep that core nice and tight for me. And press. Great job. Stay focused. Keep that intensity up. Five more. Great job. Three more to go now. Focus. Last two. Last one right here. Come on. And press. Control it back.